Welcome back, where we bring you the latest and most exciting developments in the automotive world. Today, we're diving deep into the 2025 Chevrolet Corvette ZR1, a vehicle that Chevrolet proudly hails as the most powerful Corvette ever produced. According to the latest updates from Chevrolet, the 2025 Corvette ZR1 is set to redefine American supercars. At its heart lies the newly developed LT7 engine, a 5.5-liter twin-turbocharged V8 that delivers an astonishing 1,064 horsepower at 7,000 RPM and 828 lb-ft of torque at 6,000 RPM. This powertrain not only surpasses the previous ZR1's 755 horsepower, but also marks the first time a factory-produced Corvette has broken the 1,000 horsepower barrier. Performance metrics are equally impressive. Chevrolet estimates a top speed exceeding 215 miles per hour, with the capability to complete a quarter-mile run in under 10 seconds. These figures position the new ZR1 well above its predecessors, showcasing significant advancements in both speed and acceleration. To manage this immense power, Chevrolet has implemented a comprehensive suite of aerodynamic and cooling enhancements. A flow-through hood design allows air to enter through the front grille, pass over the intercooler heat exchanger, and exit via the hood, thereby increasing front downforce and cooling charged air temperatures. Carbon fiber side profile air ducts efficiently channel cool air to the rear brakes, ensuring optimal braking performance during high-speed operations. For those seeking an even more track-focused experience, the optional ZTK Performance Package offers additional features. This includes an aggressive, high-downforce rear wing, front dive planes, and a tall hood gurney lip, all constructed from woven carbon fiber. These enhancements work in concert to provide over 1,200 pounds of downforce at top speed, ensuring the vehicle remains planted during high-speed maneuvers. In terms of braking capabilities, the ZR1 is equipped with a new brake system that utilizes advanced carbon ceramic rotor manufacturing technology. The front rotors measure 15.7 inches in diameter, the largest ever fitted to a Corvette, while the rear rotors are 15.4 inches. This setup allows the ZR1 to decelerate from 80 to 200 miles per hour and back to 80 miles per hour in just 24.5 seconds, a 22% improvement over the previous C7 ZR1 model. Aesthetically, the 2025 ZR1 pays homage to its heritage with the reintroduction of the iconic split rear window, a feature last seen on the C2 generation Corvette. This design element not only enhances the vehicle's visual appeal, but also serves a functional purpose. The carbon fiber spine between the two rear windows aids in extracting heat from the engine compartment, contributing to overall performance efficiency. Inside the cabin, drivers will find unique ZR1 badging on an interior plaque, sill plates, and the steering wheel. A new stitching pattern for the doors is available on the 3LZ trim, and for the first time in a factory Corvette, a boost gauge is present, highlighting the vehicle's turbocharged nature. New interior color options, such as habanero and a blue stitch option, provide further customization opportunities. The 2025 Corvette ZR1 will be produced at General Motors' Bowling Green Assembly Plant in Kentucky, joining the ranks of the Corvette Stingray, C6, and E-Ray models. Production is slated to begin in 2025, with pricing and availability details to be announced closer to the launch date. In summary, the 2025 Chevrolet Corvette ZR1 represents a monumental leap in performance, design, and engineering. With its unprecedented power output, advanced aerodynamic features, and thoughtful nods to Corvette's storied past, this model is poised to set new standards in the world of American supercars. Thank you for joining us on this in-depth look at the upcoming 2025 Chevrolet Corvette ZR1. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more automotive insights, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Share your thoughts on the new ZR1 in the comments below. We'd love to hear your opinions. Until next time, drive safe and stay passionate about cars.